When did air conditioners stop using Freon? Homeowners on the lower eastern shore often ask this when dealing with an older AC system that may still rely on R22 refrigerant. Air conditioners stopped using Freon, also known as R22 refrigerant, in newly manufactured systems starting January 1, 2010. From that point forward, manufacturers were no longer allowed to produce new air conditioning equipment that used R22. The final stage happened on January 1, 2020, when production and import of R22 were completely stopped in the United States. Older systems can still operate, but repairs now rely on recycled or reclaimed refrigerant. On the lower eastern shore, many homes still have AC systems installed before 2010. When these units develop refrigerant leaks, repairs can become expensive because the remaining supply of R22 refrigerant is limited. If you have an older system and are unsure what refrigerant it uses, Coastal Comfort Heating and Air Conditioning can evaluate your equipment and help you plan the next step.